Hey, what's up guys? Christian over at NFit Car Stereo. Today we're in a 2017 Nissan Altima, and we just installed this beautiful Sony XAV AX5500 radio, and we're about to run a microphone up to the factory location because you can't have a radio that looks this good and just have a little microphone just sitting there where everyone can see it. Ugh, what are you thinking? Alright guys, so the first part of using this microphone location is actually pulling this down. So I already have one, so I know the way this works. There's two little hooks that hook in here, so you have to pull from here. I recommend when you buy our panel tool set, PPT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it comes with 5 sets. Now this tool is designed to go in here, and you're supposed to go like this, but because the headliner is so delicate, you're going to use it to pull. All right, so you're going to just put your thumb on here. All right. Don't just pull like a savage, you'll break the plastic. You want to kind of like give it a little love. Cracker Jack's gonna be mad if you break them. All right, there you go. So now we're gonna pull back, turn it around, and we're gonna over here, boom, and over here, boom. This one's taped up. Taped up. All right, now, I'm pretty sure you just got to take off these two. Think I can pull this off? No, let me adjust cameras. Let me do this sitting down, not. All right, so there's two screws over here you got to take out. The little metal ones. Itty bitty bitty metal ones. There's one little itty bitty screw. And here's two itty bitty screw. These are tiny, so be careful where you put them. You don't want to lose them. I'm putting them in the cup holder. All right, now that you did that, this comes out like this. You just push it through. Boom. All right. Now here is your big microphone that takes up all of everything. All right, so all you got to do is pull like that. That comes out. Now this is what you need. Now what to do with this depends on how you want to look at it. You might want to just tuck it, leave it. This car is never going to get this factory radio back in, so I'm going to remove it. The question though is, how do you disconnect this from here? Oh, there you go. That was easy. Lift from the back, lift the wires, and then once you do that, push forward and add this to a collection of stuff that you're never going to use. Ta-da! Now let me come back and I'll show you where the mic goes. Alright guys, so this is the microphone that comes with the Sony radio. Now, we recommend, our custom microphones, we sell them with a microphone. But to be honest with you, with the Sony radios, using their microphone, it sounds better. So we just started selling the housing. So on our website, you can order just the housing. It'll come to you like that. And what you do, all you gotta do is give it a little squeeze. So there's a regular pair of pliers. Give it a little squeeze and it'll go flying. So that's it. That's all you got to do. It always goes flying. Just lightly squeeze it all around, and then all you got to do is push it forward. Wow, look at that, nice and easy. All right, now if you're daring, you can cut this off. It gets a little close to the wire here, and we don't have spares, so I don't recommend you cut it off. But it's completely up to you. Now, all we got to do is the housing is here. If you look at our housing, I'm trying to figure out how to get this. See, it has a little hole on the side, so the mic goes here. Oh, I may have to make it a little bit bigger. That works. Just be careful when you push it in. You don't want to disrupt the other end, but you see it's in, right? All right. I gotta play with this. Maybe I will make it a little bit bigger. It's perfect, but I don't like. I know someone's gonna break it. Is my whole problem here. These are designed for our microphones. There you go. All right. So let's. So when you look at this, you see how it's soldered. See how the solder that goes down. Put that towards the plastic. So that way the mic sits flat. All right, you see how it's flat? Now next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the piece. You're gonna feed it. I don't know which way it goes. It goes through here. Actually, you don't have to. You can just go like this. All right. And then, so the wire has to go facing outward. This is very important. If you put the wire facing that way, you're choking up the microphone, right? So that's gonna go right over it, and that one's gonna go right over it. It's a tight fit. You know, it's probably not a good idea to have this down here. There you go. It's a super tight fit, but that's what we wanted. All right, so we're gonna drop it in there. Drop this. That's Crackerjack approved. All right, now I'm gonna put the two screws back in. We're gonna put the camera back up and show you how to run it. All right, boys and girls, I'm back. All right, so full disclosure, just because I know you guys pay a lot of attention. In this car, we're actually filming a Sony radio, but installing a Pioneer big 9-inch radio. So for you guys that are super duper duper attentive, this is a Pioneer mic we're running. But for the rest of you, just you didn't see nothing. All right, so get the microphone wire. The headliner in Nissans is pretty loose compared to other cars. What I mean by that is that you can get your fingers in here without damaging it. Some cars, comes to mind, it's like a 2007 E55, 2003 E55. You can barely get a finger in there. Those cars become a little bit of pain to work on. All right, so now, so you're gonna want to tape this to the, one of these isn't gonna get used, I forget which one. You want to tape it to the other one, because last thing you want to do is drive around here. Every time you hit a bump. Do I have tape in here? Do I gotta get up and get some? Let's get up and get some. It was already in here. Today's like a marathon day for me because usually I like to break up these installs in a couple days. So like I'll do half on Saturday, half on Sunday, but this customer has a tint appointment Sunday morning. So therefore, I'll try to wrap it up today so I don't have to come in tomorrow. It's the wire one. So the little one's for the mic. We're gonna tape that right off to this. You guys can't see it. All right, now, this gets the plug back into here. Oops. All right, now pull, 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 pull. Now this is important. Grab this wire and try to do something like this to it, because now we're going to push this back in. So the last thing you want to do is get it stuck under one of these, which is not cooperating too well. All right, there you go. Now this is very easy. Just run, 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 run. All right, now let me get to that corner and figure out what's going on. Next step is to take this little piece off. I almost didn't film this, but just get in between. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was that even in? I don't think that was in. Guess it'll come off easier. Alright, so that's that. Now over here you want to grab onto this, and you're going to want to see how much we can, without getting my big head in. Oh, my big head's in the way. I don't like you guys. I just don't want a bunch of you guys coming up to me. Unless it's a female. If it's a female, you're more than welcome. But I've been famous before. I used to go to car shows back in the Volkswagen days, and like everyone used to say hello, which is nice, but at the same time I'm trying to do the show. Alright, so we're pulling this back, and then now this pops out. Alright, now if you look right here, there's a little screw. If you want to unscrew that to completely remove the piece, go right ahead. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to, it's like, take me off, please take me off. Come on, Christian. I'm going to be in this car forever. You're my only shot at freedom. I'm going to put you right back, though. I'm a little crazy, don't worry about it. Alright, so over here we have, I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it. How am I going to show you this? You got AM, FM antennas. You got like a black antenna cable. I am not in the mood to help me show this. Alright, so I'm not going to reshoot everything. I don't want to re-rig everything. So, did you see the antenna wire? Just tape your microphone to that AM, FM, I think, antenna wire. Alright, and just bring it all the way down. Alright, next thing is to run the microphone in through here. So I like running it, dropping it in this hole, and then coming out through here, so then we can go that way. Alright, it's not hard, but it's not easy either. If you got like a black zip tie, it's probably going to be easier. Or a white zip tie. Alright, so we go up. Alright, so my finger just hit that. I'm going to bring it up here. I'm not gonna lie, wasn't expecting that to be that easy. Usually you gotta fight with it a little bit. See? There you go. You know what? I think I usually let it get up here before I look for it. If you look for it. Now, I'm gonna put this here. Now I'm gonna leave a little bit of drag. Be gentle with it because you don't want to get it caught on something. You see how it's caught right there? Just want to make sure you easy going down. This is a delicate cable, so if you stretch, last thing you want to do is run the whole cable, finish your install, and realize that you were a little too rough and you stretched it out. The whole point of this is to not get it caught on anything. Alright, so that goes there. Now, I don't know what's going on over here. Let's see if we can. This is completely sealed. This is completely sealed. Alright. It's sealed. Let's see what we can do. First shot, what do you think? Stick my head in there. Oh yeah. Piece of cake. Piece of pie. Why is it a piece of cake, not a piece of pie? Piece of cake is easy. Isn't it easy to make pizza than cake? You gotta bake? How do you both gotta bake? Alright, so like I said before, leave a little extra. Alright, now we're going above this metal thing. For this you probably need a coat hanger or something. I haven't tried this. Oh, look at that. That's easy peasy. This is an easy run. Wowzers! Should I do it again? Should I do it again? Let's do it again. Did I lose the wire? Watch me messing around, doing it again. No, I'm not doing this again. I don't want to be here tomorrow. Oh, let's do it again. Let's do it for the gram, for the tubers. There's no short way to say YouTube, is there? You can tell I'm delirious. Alright, let's do it again. So I'm doing this again just to show you guys how easy it is. One last thing I ever want to do with any of my videos is lie about how easy something is, because I don't want you being at home jammed up because I described something as being easy when it really wasn't. Ooh, that's not good, hitting the lens. All right, so that's it. All right, guys, like I said, this is Christian, nfitcarstereo.com. We sell, we install, we ship worldwide. Guys, this microphone, we don't have we sold it to a couple of Nissan guys, but we don't have a big market on it yet. I know this video is gonna make it big. Toyota, Ford, they've been using our microphones for a little while, and they love it. So check out the website. We have a video that shows you how to take out the radio. This video, which you already saw, we have a video that shows you how to install an aftermarket radio. We also have a package that includes all the parts you need to install a radio, including the radio. And that's it. My name is Christian, nfitcarstereo.com. We sell, we install, we ship worldwide. If you're a shop, we do wholesale accounts. These mics are a nice little touch for your customers, and they're cheap, and everyone loves them. My name is Christian, nfitcarstereo.com. Thank you so much for watching.